Good evening, traders. Happy Thanksgiving to you. Hope you, if you're in the States, you had a good one. We were able to forage on food, alcohol, and foosball, right? The three things that make Thanksgiving so awesome, but also giving thanks for things that are important to you, that you love. Hopefully you did that too. That's important. So, that's why I make music. I'm not thankful for decibel levels on my OBS, alright? Just let's make this for the record, okay? But yeah, thanks for being here. Bitcoin 4,200 right now. Currently, I think we've gotten as low as today 41.38 since we bounced a little bit. But oh man, you want to talk about just pathetic price action. Good news is we're making lower candle body low closes, and we're about to zoom in. Just want to reiterate what's going on, kind of looking left, right, on Bitcoin. We broke that 5,000 range. We've actually cracked the 4,400 range that was pretty strong. It should have been stronger. We're below what we're holding on to some crap support from October 4th and September 4th. Certainly, I think once we crack that, 3,500 seems very, very likely. I mean, I don't know why we wouldn't just run there real quick, but the thing is, what's interesting about the oscillators, which we've seen already, it's been going on. I mean, it's been going on this whole time. Really, had it plotted, the bullish divergence is still going, right? We still are maintaining levels of bullish divergence, right? We got, and I just anchor pointed my channel, right? Hey, dude, it's like every time I turn it down, I get trolled and it comes back up to higher decibel levels. My God, man, it should be okay right there until it does. It's not. Anchor point 1 and 2. 2 on the bottom and then 3 on the top, and that's just really the parameters of this steep downtrend. If you zoom out, you can see it's almost straight down, but if we scale it a little bit, it looks a little nicer, right? But here, what I'm talking about is, look, we have these lows on prices, the bullish divergence, and we actually now have confirmed triple RSI bullish divergence. You see what's happening right now is maybe this keeps dumping, which it very well could, and that's not a big deal. 4,041, maybe down to this wick. But either way, this is what's happening. This is what you really got going on the RSI. Really nice, okay? Something else is pretty nice to just take note of. There's no divergence here, but we're making lower candle body low closes, and we don't have any negative momentum. That's extremely, I think, in my opinion, that's bullish. Okay, that's good. That's good stuff. And what else? What else do you have going for you if you're looking for a retrace here? It's even more bullish than it was before, because look, 1, 2, now 3. Look how tired we are. Look, man, the volume. Whether you talk about this one candle or not, say we don't even have that. You can clearly see 1, 2, 3 times now. The volume on the lows, the low, the lower low, the lowest low. Now we're making lower levels of volume. That's also bullish. Those are all indicators giving us reason to believe we might be bouncing the upside. This might just be something flushing. The rule of 3 we're seeing all the time, like 1 leg, 2 legs, 3 legs, 1, 2, 3, triple RSI, bullish divergence, right? This selling is very weak, very, very weak. All right, had a little. It looks like a bearish engulfing candle at the doji, but whatever. All right, so though it does look bleak right now, and it's like, hey, we're going to 3,500 right now. Maybe not. Maybe we're not, based on the 4-hour indicators, right? Just saying. Just saying. So just keep that in mind. All right, it's food for thought. It's just something to think about. Okay, let's take a look at chat. Unfortunately, XRP is at 41 cents right now. It is actually, as we speak, cracking that upsloping trend line of the little equidistant channel we've been in. Okay, not good. What's up, Sequin man? Yeah, I don't have on Lumia tonight. I don't know, man. I'm just hanging out. Okay, it's kind of like a chill session. Just want to give you all the updates on the markets on Thanksgiving, right? People didn't even think I was gonna show up tonight. All right, but hey, man, come on, right? What's up, Crypto Tiger? Nick Skywalker, Gustavo, man. Dead turkey? Yeah. I mean, for the midterm, yeah, probably. But again, we're just looking at the shorter term. Just what's going to happen next. We're looking for that bounce and it just keeps getting a little bit better, right? Just gets a little bit better on the chart every time we're moving down. Okay, so got to be at least a little bit optimistic for that small term bounce. That's about it though. Again, the small term bounce could be up to the 382 and then dump again. All right, so it's there's not much demand right now. That's a certainty. What's up, J-Bell? What's up, Nick Rabat, MK? Oh, MK's here, man, and many others. What's up, play the Jesus Chimes to pay respects. Cheers to y'all, right? All right, man. So remember, what we could do is break down more, and then we come down, like we got a trend line now. And we come all the way down to 12 on the RSI again, 13, 14, 15, down here, maybe. Eternal was just saying 2,000 by Monday. Man, you do realize we've lost $2,000 of value this month, right? That's extremely fast. And even with Bitcoin selling off, there are most of the time retraces, especially when you start showing more and more divergence in the 4 hour, okay? And again, the retraces don't have to be by much. What's up, JD? Win cardboard box, Nick Rabat. These are the questions we should all be asking, right? Win cardboard box, win homeless, win Honda Civic. Okay. What's up, Mr. Lucky Dude? Excellent, looking strong. Did the US dollar appear? Because not. I mean, it's strong. It looks more like it's right back at that critical support that we saw from July, early July, and mid-July, and mid-September, and now November 22nd. Okay, so yep, Pedro, bullish divergence on the 4 hour RSI. That's right, man. We've had this. We've definitely had this for a minute. Okay, but it's just gonna do it maybe one more time. We're gonna get another tier of that divergence, right? Which is good. That's great. What's up, Drew's kicking it, man? AP DUP, time to crater. You say that, but we don't have any negative momentum, and we're showing all kinds of bullish divergence, right? So maybe not yet, but maybe after the retrace, we crater, which would make a lot of sense, right? What's up, Coach K, Ultra Instinct Jesus, man? P. Miller, happy Thanksgiving to you and everyone else, right? Hello, Mr. Majesty. Yep, the longs get stopped out. Tried to hedge a little bit of Ethereum on my short, just like to see if I could, but it seems like we're gonna break down. We already broke down. Okay, we got as low as 116 earlier, so like $11 off my stop, so whatever. Atlancap said at Thanksgiving his grandmother said, be careful what you post on Facebook, you know your grandma can see it. Atlancap, this is true, man. Imagine streaming. Be careful what you stream. Your grandma can see it, right? So yeah, I gotta do that. What does REEE mean? Black Friday sale on Bitcoin. Oh my god, man. All right, pretty much. It's just really that crypto capsule. It's for all the memes. It's to bring in dislikes and hate. That's pretty much all it is. Okay. We are just putting the lightning rod on our backs. Okay. Yet Neo is a scrub. That's right, man. He mean Bitcoin for free? No, I just mean Black Friday sale. Maybe not, right? Maybe not. Free Bitcoin soon? No, we're just doing like we're all triggered. Okay, everyone's triggered. Bitcoin's selling off again. Okay, man. Hey, it's good though. It's better than clickbait because you're like, what does it even mean? I'm gonna click on this to see what's going on, right? Mr. Majesty, you're in Shanghai. I'm glad you were enjoying the music, man. Hopefully you're enjoying the music now, too. To be a double win, right? Win-win for everyone. Yeah, invest your 401k, Kappa. Mr. Capsule. Kappa Capsule. Exactly. So, Crypto Ganja, game here. Bradley Abel. Gerard Hutt, man. What's up, dude? Foosball. You forgot about foosball, Mr. Cantoma? Oh, my God, man. Egg Bowl, easiest call of my life, and the Dallas Cowboys teased Dallas Cowboys with Mississippi State. It was so easy, man. Dude, they had Colt McCoy, quarterback, come in. Had not shaken off the cobwebs. He had not started a football game since 2014. Like, okay. And then you had Mississippi State at Oxford. Last time Mississippi State was at Oxford, they won 52-20. Oh, wait, they won 35-3 tonight. Or no, they scored at the end. Okay, whatever. Scrub, backdoor, touchdown. It doesn't matter. So, Bud Light Yagami. Logo Dinosaur. Crypto Cracker, hello. Eric Whitehead, hello. Shout out to those tip boys from last night, Sethy Claus in Montana. Dude, yeah, seriously, man, right? Really want to say thankful for them and everyone else who's been supporting me throughout this past 10, going on maybe 11 months now, man. Dude, we're going on like a year. By like February, it's going to be a year. I can't even believe it, dude. So about Jack the Ripper. Brian Griffin. We are bullish until we are bearish. Sure, man. Yeah. Just the full moon. Inverse moon. Hey, Cody Petit. He says we could really go to 3,500 and still have triple bullish divergence. Looking for that entry. Maybe, but dude, how? Like, how are you gonna? I just don't know how you're gonna leg down again. I mean, maybe you could. Like, you very well. I don't know. If we make it all the way down to this level here, we're probably going to be making 11 on the RSI. We might invalidate some RSI, right? Bullish divergence. I don't know. That's a pretty far drop. Maybe we touch this heart line again. The heart line of the equidistant channel again. That would make more sense, right? But we're already showing the triple RSI bullish divergence right now. Okay. With that candle body close. And we have no negative momentum, which is really crazy. Okay, no negative momentum making lower lows than your previous lows. That's good if you're looking for a retrace. So by Jordan G. Who knew? What's up, man? Almost through chat, okay. Well, Fearless One. Thanks for taking your time out of the night to stream on Thanksgiving. Or whatever, man. Yeah, of course, dude. Well, as I said last night before I logged off, I'm thankful for y'all. And I'm sorry, Thanksgiving. If I'm thankful for y'all, why would I not stream on Thanksgiving, right? That just wouldn't make any sense, okay? So. But yeah, I had a really nice Thanksgiving. Got to eat, stuff my face. My God, I ate 2 meals in one, pretty much, right? I hope everyone else did too. Hey, Moss. Where to catch the Bitcoin knife is the question, MK, man. Well, I don't know, man. Right? We don't know, but we can tell you exactly what the chart is saying and interpret it and then articulate it to you, the viewer. Right? That's all we can do. Where would the 382 place us, Drill Bit Taylor? Which 382 you talking about, man? We just did a miniature swing high to swing low. We couldn't even hit the 382. That's how pathetically weak we were. We couldn't even touch 46.61. The common retrace zone. That's pathetic, man. All right, that's no demand. Sethy Claus is the final boss, Mr. Cantoma. But remember what Montana said. He had some dark words, some foreshadowing of what's to come, possibly before 2019. Montana, he said it, man. He says when he has his year-end fun, he will start posting with his real name. Okay, he's going to dox himself when he thinks he's saying that he's going to beat Seth. No one believes it, right? But I don't know, man. Okay. Exchange, you got me, man. Exchange. Though I probably should get a ledger, man. Like you got me, man. Since I have, I don't know if I should transfer out the tips I've been making in cryptocurrency and put them in ledgers. I don't know. Would it be advantageous for me to do that? Can someone let me know that has experience with ledgers? All right, that would be helpful. You know, because look, y'all come on here and learn some stuff, but you know, I learn stuff from y'all all the time, Chad. So if anyone wants to give me their thoughts on ledgers, if there's advantages to having, if like I'm not selling something because, like we said, I'm not selling that stuff. Maybe I should just have it on ledger, right? So, Putsky, man. Putsky, who are you again? I know you changed your name. Are you Ali G? Respectful man? Does my memory betray me or does it hold true? What's up, Robin? Hey, I'm thankful for you too, man. Okay, much love. And Putsky, happy Thanksgiving to you, okay? So, Potter Monkey, look, we're almost through chat. Okay, chat's kind of going right now. So, I think people are keeping their eyes on Bitcoin right now. If you want to, I guess we can just hop on over to the quad screen. Of course, man. It's like when I'm not live, it'll be fine. But then I go over when I'm live and the overlay bugs out. I don't understand it, man. You see, like it won't load, man. It's just maybe like maybe when I get I haven't told anybody yet. So I canceled. You know how I've got that big order of
Chinese lesson on pause for now. Chinese lesson on pause for now.
Why are they echoing? Hey Dan, thanks for the follow on Dan D. Thanks for the follow on Twitch. Kills for a living. Thanks for the 333. Repeating, of course. Much love. I don't know what just happened, but holy crap! I think what's happening when I get the echo, it's not user error. It's something to do when I switch overlays. I think that's the issue, man. Holy crap. So, anyway, I canceled my order on the 1070i, and now I've ordered a 1080 Ti. Alright, that will control all my PC, and my 1070i that I have now will just control my streaming, okay? It's gonna be lit, man. I dropped down, I dropped to more, like $500-600 more to get that thing, just so we're overkilling it, man. I want to be all in, right? So, what's up, Brian Kelly? Crypto Yeti, man. Are Yetis thankful for things? Do y'all also celebrate Thanksgiving? What's up, hello, Jose Lopez, man. You thought you were here for REEE? What's for rec? Nah, REEE is for... How do people not know what REEE is, man? Where have y'all been? It's 2018. We're almost in 2019. Y'all don't know what REEE is? It just means triggered. It's Black Friday, man. REEE! Black Friday sales on Bitcoin. I'm triggered, man. God. What's up, Larly, man? Yep, had a good one, man. Hope you also did as well, man. Today is your wife's birthday, so you have to go soon. Mr. Slucky, I just want you to let her know, all right? Let her know. Happy birthday to Mrs. Selecki, okay? Congratulations on making another day in this world. If you want to replay this for her, go for it. Let my CPU and GPU freak out. The leaves, the confetti, and the happy birthdays. Wow. Oh my god, this is so crazy. Pushing it to the limit, y'all. Alright. Happy birthday, Mrs. Selecki. Anyway. What's up, Grow Green? No name. What's up? B-Trail. Australian. Skyward Man. Oh my god, so much chat. Sorry. I can't keep up. What's up, Chris Blankenship? Thanks for the 198 people tuned in between Twitch and YouTube right now. Y'all Jesus people. Thank you so much. Store my crypto on a ledger, Bradley. Get a ledger, Nano S. Nick Mendez. Okay. B8 says ledgers are great offline wallets. Okay. Thanks for keeping the no BS sort of attitude and keeping interactive stream while doing TA. You primarily work in dApps, and trading comes secondary, and this stream has been valuable for you. Hey, Blinkashed, thank you, man, for the feedback. All right, I can't get better without you. So thank you for just giving me your perception of this stream and what it's about, and I really appreciate that, man. Much love, dude, to you. Hope you had a, I don't know if you're in the States or anything, but hope you had a happy Thanksgiving. Use a ledger. Heard they're going to be 50% off, huh? What? Where's this at? Someone send me a link. If you don't have an affiliate link for Nanos, I'll do that too. I don't hodl, so you don't think a ledger... I do hold, Wayne. I hold. Many streamers get hacked, Yeti. Sweet, man. I'm getting a big consensus that ledgers are the way to go. Hey, J-Rock, happy Thanksgiving to you too, man. All right. Excellent, man. Cause of course, man. Always going to do a TA on holidays, man. Okay, don't think that that's going to prevent me from streaming, okay? I streamed on St. Patrick's Day. I stream on 4th of July, Memorial Day, Veterans Day, Halloween, right? That Moon Boy. And, hey, Thanksgiving's no different, right? Kind of a pain in the butt, Robin. Yours seems to be buggy. Interesting. You love the 1080 Ti? Chris, well, I need it, man. I'm going on 7 monitors now, and it's like my GPU is like, what are you doing to me, man? I'm okay. I'm pretty good at my job, but dude, it's too much, right? Yeah, mad lag spike, right? If you had $1,300, you could either spend on a fancy new guitar. See, I don't know, man. Okay, thanks for the sub on YouTube. It's like broken now. I think I broke it. Are you kidding me, dude? Hold on a sec. Well, how did I fix it last time? Crap, man. Why does it do this to me, dude? It just does this to me, and I can't do anything about it. Like, I have to sit here and let it happen. Then echoing Jesus chimes. The Jesus chimes ghost, man. I don't know. Good God. Hold on. I'm just like trying to figure out, like, it's not like I added another overlay or something. It's just stupid, dude. Okay, whatever, man. I guess we're gonna deal with it. Y'all can deal with double Jesus chumps now on Thanksgiving. That's how thankful we are for subs and tips tonight. You get double Jesus chumps. Okay, it's one, and it's your Black Friday sale. Okay, anytime you tip or sub, you get double the Jesus chump value. Okay, whatever, man. We're gonna make lemons. Well, we have lemons, and we're gonna make lemonade or lemon water. Okay. Happy Thanksgiving to you, Persh. You think a short run up is ahead, then down more if we don't hold support? What do you mean a short run up? Oh, sorry, short. I was thinking about the word, like literally shorting. Okay, yeah, a minor retrace, probably a better word, right? Retrace and then break to the downside again. Yeah, it seems more likely than not, it seems like that, right? Based on the indicators. But other people have fifis and they have feelings, and they'll say we're just gonna go down again. Based on, again, feeling and not any kind of argument, right? So if you present an argument via technical analysis on why we would break down to 3,000, right, before we retraced, I would love to hear it on the chart. Not, well, you know, you got news with so-and-so and that. Nope, that doesn't count. Not on this show, right? Changed my mind. What's up, J Fire? Mad Carl, I'm doing well, man. How are you doing? House Cobb Crypto SB have affiliate links. What are you doing to me, Robin? You gonna try to split it up, man? I feel like I have to pick sides if you make me pick affiliate links. What's up, XRP Mafia, man? Good God, man. A lot of chat. Thank y'all for being here. Jesse Brett Munson. Cheers. You just feel. See the feeling. I've got a feeling, man. Okay, well, you got a feeling. But maybe, just maybe, we break to the upside before your feeling comes to fruition, right? So, Michael P. coming in from Germany. God, I love saying your name, man. And you're coming in from Germany. So always say your name and where you're coming in from, okay? Perfect. Can I show my setup, Urge? How about I show my setup on Tuesday, Urge, when I get everything installed, I get my new supercomputer. I mean, it's like I have a nice computer, but it's gonna be a supercomputer by the time I get done with my installations. Okay, I got some things to do. Okay, I'm thinking about making a vertical monitor, put it to the very left of me. Would be nice. Okay. Gotta add reverb to the Jesus Jones, man. That's right, dude. Hey, Mark, Matrix M. Can someone man, do you have no, I got you, Lorley. Is that affiliate link for you, man? That'd be good. That'd help you if you sent it to me in Discord. You're like first come first serve thing. So I did. I was that was improvising. I was improvising on that. Okay, man. So let me know if that was okay, dude. Are we in a pennant, Nick for bot? I don't think so, because we can't be in a pennant unless we broke out, right? And then you have an arbitrary pennant because you got the wick here. Okay, man. I think we're just in a downsloping channel and we don't really have much of a pattern. Okay. And that's okay, man. You don't always have to have patterns. All right, you don't. And we had a diamond bottom, but the diamond bottom, when we broke to the upside, had absolutely no positive momentum behind it. Oh my god.
Buy one Jesus time, get two special.
God. What's happening? I don't understand it, man.
Rabar tip $20. Buy one Jesus time, get two special.
I can't do anything about it, man. It's literally broken, dude. It's like sometimes, like when you switch overlays like that, they get stuck in stupid land. Okay, so kind of screwed. It's kind of vexing, just a little vexing. But dude, thank you for the $20 contribution. Much love, man. All right, much love. Okay. The Bass and Bruce, are we all fools? Are really smart to hold? Look, man, holding is a. I understand what it means. The hold. You're taking advice from somebody who has literally no idea what they're doing, right? Just remember that. I think that's the most important thing to take from that guy's weird meme talk, okay? He was trying to act stupid and it was a joke, and now everyone wants to hold that true. And like, that might be the case. Hey, if you got in early, that's great, man. But most people here didn't get in early. Most people got in sometime this year or late last year. And how's that hold HODL going for you, man? You hold the trend. You trend trade. You can, hey, when we reverse our price action to the upside, we start getting higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, and the trend is clearly showing a reversal to the upside. Go ahead and hold. But make sure you draw your channel. And make sure when you break those channels to the downside, you have your stop set up, right? Alright, so, I don't know, man. I would never take it. I don't understand. That seems like it's genius for someone who wants to make the retail investors do really stupid things. Okay, genius. It's a one-man army, E. Happy Turkey Day. F for Harambe. What about the Bearish Harambe we had on the daily? It didn't work out too well, did it? Where's the bottom, Raymond? If I knew the answer to that, I probably wouldn't be here. Okay. Okay, sweet. What's up, Vergus Games? Good to see you again, man. All right, so anyway, let's go to Ripple. Not looking too hot, man. Not looking good at all, really. It's not things you want to see. Okay. Oh boy. So what do? We broke out. We're hooking now. We're hooking, and you know what, man? You still are making bullish divergence, right? But you still got the bullish divergence. Now you got 1, 2, and now 3. Now this could keep building. We can keep on building negative momentum, and then it will completely invalidate. But you do see that we could have another tier of bullish divergence on the MACD, right? Very well could. Low, lower low, lowest low. 1, 2, 3. All right, so it does seem like, based on the oscillators, we would be due for some break to the upside. Why else? Why don't you take a look at the volume, man? Just like Bitcoin, right? From this low to this low, much lower levels of volume. So you're making lower prices with lower levels of volume. That's also bullish. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, coinciding variables. All right. If we fail to break down to 37 cents to touch this trend line again, we may very well have ourselves a partial decline, which signifies a high likelihood we could break to the upside. Okay. It's a Bulkowski thing. The partial decline. So it sucks, man. It sucks that we broke out bearishly of this channel, but on very, very little volume, and you've got all the divergence in the world to maybe give you some confidence that we might break back into this thing. Good. Gross. IPAs are non-filtered, so they've got that weird yeast stuff at the bottom. Gross. Sorry y'all had to see that. I'm going to put the censored thing up. Okay. You just got back from 7-Eleven. What's happening? Well, it's 11:22 now, so 18. Hey, Greg White, man, good to see you. Yeah, Ripple. Oh, Team Crypto is saying Ripple at 18 cents. What? What chart are you on, man? 18 cents is a long way away. I don't know if that seems likely right now. Okay. Based on technical analysis, I think the next support, if we can't get back into this channel, we'd see 38 cents, and then after that, 35 cents, and then after that, you're pretty much screwed. Like, it's just not going to be good after that. If you're showing all this bullish divergence and you disregard it, my God, man, I don't know what to tell you, dude. I'm telling you what the market is interpreting, that we're losing momentum on the selling, and we're showing higher levels of relative strength. Any price action reversal, the upside is what we're being told in the volume. Also good. Evil taxes, yes. Head and shoulder pattern. What? Ace, Libertino, head and shoulder pattern. Where? Where's head and shoulder pattern? I don't see head and shoulder at all. All in on banana bread beer, Brian. That does sound interesting, man. I like some banana bread beer, but you can't send it to me, all right? Contacts are killing me already, dude. I guess I just had them in all day. So, all right, you're outside. I guess we'd set up another alert or something. If you hear the beep, it's like, oh man, in trouble on Ripple. So 41.6 cents. Better break to the upside soon. Come on, man. You've got all the fuel to do it. We'll see a pop. Okay, here's Ethereum. All right, I was talking to Lolly about this. Didn't work out the way we thought it would, right? I mean, really, it's just kind of like the way we thought. Is it really the way we thought, or was it just we were just taking a low-risk area? Oh. Everything screws up, man. How do I reach these kids? Sometimes my scale breaks when I go to a different chart. Let me save this so I can just refresh real quick. Double Jesus chomps, can't scale on TradingView. I just get it together. Get it together. Give it a sec, right? Sure thing, Greg White. Anytime, man. Anytime. Okay. Been live for 42 minutes now. Remember, if you are enjoying this live stream, this coverage on Thanksgiving Day or Thanksgiving evening, please hit that like button, that bell, that sub. It really does help this channel grow, despite what you may think. All right. So we're just doing this thing. All right, look good. And now we can scale. Sweet, man. All right, so again, looks like some sort of descending triangle stuff with a false breakout anyway. Just couldn't crack it yet, but we're right there, okay? And again, look, the bullish divergence, the same type of stuff's going on, all right, that you got on Bitcoin. I mean, it's almost like identical at this point. Just, okay, you know, of course you could break down again to 12, 13 on the RSI and make lower prices and break this, but hey, you know what's interesting? All right, man, let's go to 60-minute. Guess what's happening? Oh my God, go figure. A more bullish divergence, man, right? On the 60-minute. But what would be your measure move if we broke out bearishly? Well, 2663. Where is that? 2663. Well, well, well. I can't believe it. Oh wait, yes I can. It is at your 95.46 horizontal line support that stems back to whenever, okay? Somewhere way back in 2017, okay? Holy crap. What do you even want, man? You know what? We're just gonna do this thing. We keep doing this now, all right? There you go, man. There you go, man. There's your move to the downside. We'll be putting you at, that's it, man. 95.46, and it just.
Happy Thanksgiving to you and your family. Happy Thanksgiving to you and your family. 4010 to help push it up 5K before going back down. My numbers are from XBT on BitMEX. My numbers are from XBT on BitMEX.
Hey Jules, man, thanks for the 12 contribution. I really apologize about the Double Jesus challenge, but we do have a Black Friday Double Jesus challenge. Hey, Tim R, man, thanks for the sub on YouTube, Jesus, man. Thanks, dude. I just wish I knew what it was that was doing it. Okay, man. Maybe if I just change back to quad screen real quick, back and forth a bunch of times, it'll like inverse break itself. Maybe it's not broken now. Okay. Maybe we fixed it the way we broke it. Okay. Thanks so much, man. Okay. Maybe if I just turn off that overlay and don't look at the quint screen the rest of the show, it might fix. Okay. Hold on. Let's see if this works. Okay. Let me just see. Okay. Nope. That was it. That was not it. Hold on. Not the screen. What was I looking at? Where is it, man? What the heck? There it is. Okay, I turned off that overlay. I think is broken. Okay, I think there's a problem with that one. So we'll see if that works. But let's go to the daily real quick. All right, so we can look left and be like, "What's that? What's that line, man? What's that line?" That line just happens to be right here. That's it. 95.46. Yeah. No.
On this Thanksgiving Day, we give thanks for the double Jesus times and Lord Ray's inability to fix them.
Gosh dang it, man. There's literally no reason, again, why this is happening. Okay, man. Hey, Huddle Monkey, man, thanks for the 333 being, of course. I'm sorry, man. It's just kind of frustrating. Okay. I thought I had it fixed, and then I didn't. All right. Okay, so 95.46. This is our measured move of the descending triangle. If we were to break to the downside again, all right, keep it rolling. Couldn't find any relief at all. I just had a bearish engulfing candle, right? Bearish engulfing candle. Today, Thanksgiving was a bearish engulfing candle. What does that tell you? Okay, all right, moving to the downside again. Descending triangle was created. See at $95. All right, we thought maybe we retrace. Maybe not. Right, we're still oversold. 20 on the RSI. Holy crap! Easy enough for the measured move. Okay. Telling y'all, I could just see the problem with resetting my stream. It's not as easy as a video game streamer or really anyone else that streams, because I have so many screen captures, so many stupid screen captures on every single screen of mine that I have to reset all those and make sure they're all set. Okay, it's dumb. It's not fun at all. Jeff W, you like the channel. You give thanks for this channel. Happy Thanksgiving to you, Jeff, man. Thanks, dude. What's up, Charlemagne Glover? Anytime, dude. Anytime. Bitcoin is clearly oversold on the one day, so why do we keep dropping? Sometimes when you're in extremely bearish conditions, you just keep dropping. Keep staying oversold for a while. Is this a bull run? Yeah, dude. Inverse. Inverse bull run, Brian, man. Totally. Hold on. If y'all don't know, Princess Riley decided to show up or like drive here tonight so we can hang out. Because we're going to the Iron Bowl on Saturday, so like she will be here soon. I'm trying to get an ETA on that. All right, so if I have to like BRB for a second, it's just me letting her in. Okay. Sweet. Just to be forewarned. All right.
I'm gonna go get the papers. Get the papers. I'm gonna go get the papers. Get the papers.
Oh my god, it was so perfect, dude. Dude. Jimmy 2 times. Can I say your name? Jimmy 2 times. I know you, man. Thank you, dude, for the 777. Much love, man. And thanks for that Birch coin, dude. Oh god, this is gonna suck. Here we go, man.
Happy Thanksgiving. Roll Tide in the Iron. Happy Thanksgiving. Here are some Roll Tide in the Iron. Here are some Let's
have
it.
Hey Billy, man, thanks for all the repeating fours. This is I know it sucks. I'm sure there are people in stream triggered, and they're ultimately reeing, like I said in the title of the stream. But thanks, man. I know you're not. Okay, looks like Princess Riley's ETA is about 30 minutes now. All right. Okay, so around 12:20 Eastern, she'll be here. Sweet, man. So about DJ Joe Public, man, I can't wait to see that Oklahoma game. By the way, it's going to be a shootout. It's going to be like the Monday Night Football game. You'll be dumpster diving for dinner if this price action keeps up much longer, DJ. Oh my god, man. Oh my god. You personally know someone who told you today they lost $5,000? What's his name? Seth. And not in that way. Like, you know, I'm just kidding, because it's just funny, because we all have fun in here. Because he tipped at one point, you know. It's hard to hear with the double chimes, XRP Mafia. I know, man. It's a mild inconvenience that we're dealing with one stream. I can't do anything about it. I'm screwed, okay? It's literally bugged out. It's bugged out, man. Nothing I can do.
Thank you, Mitch. Do you think that XRP people pooping bricks today?
Oh my god, man. It didn't double chime. Thanks, Mr. Selecki, for fixing the Jesus chimes, man. 1337 contribution. And again, happy birthday to Mrs. Selecki. But our XRP people essing or pooping bricks, as you would put it, well, it's not great, man, but if you look at the 4-hour oscillators, man, it's promising that we would break to the upside. But again, you could easily hit that 38-cent range, that horizontal line support back from October 10th and 11th, as well as back from August 18th. If you can't hold that, 35 cents seems likely. The horizontal line supports back from late August and mid-August and early August, right? So you do have horizontal line supports right below this upswing channel if we were to confirmably break out of it, okay? But for now, I don't know, man. It depends. Did you FOMO in to Ripple? Because if you did, yeah, those people might be. But if those people that were smart, like us, we had our entry at 26 cents. If you got in there, no, people probably not. I mean, I'm not. I own Ripple, and if it breaks below 35, we're gonna have a different conversation. But no, I'm good, man. I'm good on my gains. All right. But dude, thanks again for the 1337 and somehow fixing the Jesus chimes, I think. Okay. Yeah, Crypto Minds, it was a completely different matter, okay, on the problem we encountered a couple weeks back. It was actually, that was Stream Labs, dude, not Stream Elements, okay? They both, it seemed, have bug out issues, okay? Yeah, happy Thanksgiving again, Billy Man. Add existing source to add my alerts to multiple screens rather than add new source. See, when I can't do that, see, I'm using Elements. I'm using OBS. and Stream Elements, right? And Streamlabs. I'm using all of them. So there are no separate widgets for Stream Elements. You have to do it all on the website. It's stupid, man. Bitcoin's moving around crypto capsules. Say it ain't so, man. 4176. We cracked 4200 again. Okay. Hey, is anyone going Black Friday shopping tonight? I forgot, man. Who's doing that? Chat, hit 1 if you are going Black Friday shopping. Hit 2 if you're going to do your online shopping on Amazon or somewhere else. Okay. 1 for you're going out. You better bring a sword, the sword of 1,000 S coins with you if you're going. But let me know. I just want to know if people are even doing that anymore. Who goes out now? You hope Satoshi shows up, Team Crypto? Yeah, he's on his way, dude. He's on his way. Chris Farrell, the thing is, though, with Bitcoin, there's no real way to gauge the value of it. It's all based on perception. Double. Chomps is back. Sorry, Don.
2 measured moves down from 95 slots and seems to have hit bottom at 75 and seems to have hit bottom at 75 to 77 and was wondering what your take is on it and was wondering what your take is on it.
Sorry, I just like spam turned it off. Let me read this. Key has done 2 measured moves down from 95 slots and seems to have hit the bottom. Did we have a bearish pattern, right? Oh, let's take a look at it, man. Take a look. Dude, thank you for the 333. Lydia's man. Thank you so much, dude. I think we had a descending triangle building or something, right? It wasn't a bullish pattern, was it? Yeah, it was wow, dude. Went way further than that. Oh, we haven't looked at it last time since you said that, right? So yeah, bearish and more bearish, man. All right, so we doubled the measured move, it seems, but I haven't looked at it since you wanted to talk about what was going on. So hey, played out, right? I wish you could short key and we'd be kings or kings in this context. It's only appropriate to call it kings when you're talking about key, respecting the TA, right? So let's look at the substance, as it's impossible to hear that. I'm sorry on TTS, I'm reading it. You had buy orders from 75.77. I'm wondering the take on this is okay. I'm in. We are 60 minutes. Let's go to the 4 hour real quick. I know we were looking at the 60 minute to get that triangle. So what's the reason for 75 to 77? Is it just this right here? Or are you looking at fib extensions? Oh my God. Okay, so all right. Excuse me. Man, a fib extension, I don't even know.
Coin car 9 UHF 0 coin car 9 VJ 0 Gim J 0 J 0 Neon Hyper 0 J PJWR 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 PR equals 0 PR equals bottom
9, 8, 7, 0, 9, 9, 8, 4, 7, 6, 5, 4, 7, 9, 8, 6, 7, 5, 4, 7, 9, 8, 6, 7, 5, 4, 5. It's never echoing for important people. It's never echoing for important people. Get wrecked, Mr. Selecki. Get wrecked, dude. You were just in a lone anomaly. There's nothing I can do, man. There's literally nothing I can do. All right, man. So, fib extension wise, man, I don't know what to tell you, dude. The swing low to swing high. What are you gonna do, dude? What are you even gonna do here to get your fib extensions? We broke any kind of upsloping trend, right? I think we even looked at this last time. Right, any kind of upsloping trend, you just broke that, man. That's That's bad. Okay, very, very bad. Now we are, in fact, yeah, 1, 2. You're making that bullish divergence, of course. Yes, awesome. I think we're making more. Yep, making more now. More bullish divergence on the 4 hour. Sweet, more. We didn't have any before, but I'm saying we're now making it, right? So you got both oscillators, low volume, okay? But, God, channel-wise, dude, this is a scrub channel for sure, right? Let me get rid of these. Horizontal lines. I'm just trying to clean it up so we can see when we're about to redraw this, okay? You got a horizontal line support here. Oops. So that's all you got, man. That's all you got. Next, we could easily come down here if we wanted to, because it's, what is it, dude? It's key. It's not key. We can give this a shot if we want to, man. But all right, so anchor point 1, 2, 3, and 4 on the bottom. I think that we're holding this heart line here the best we can. Okay, staying at the top section of the downsloping channel. All right, that's the best way you can look at it, right? But you don't think you have any kind of pattern development, right? There's no pattern development. So I think that a more prudent support would be 72 sats and 66 to 68 sats. Okay, you got support here and here. Right now, you're literally in no man's land. Okay, so I think we could go down much more. All right, that's just IMO, man. Okay, IMO. What will be a reason, Don, for getting in right here, right now, right? We cracked all the supports. Look at the support from here. That support back from September and August. Right, we cracked that. We're below it. We impulsed down and we're trying to break to the upside, but it had to retrace up and did nothing, and we broke down again. Okay, so I think that 72 to 66 cents. These are two different areas of lower risk. The lowest risk comparative to where you might have entered now. And I'm not saying you're wrong. I'm just saying I'm just looking at it on the chart, right, and just being like, okay, there's probably lower areas of risk that you could look at. But I get the bullish average. You got that on your side, okay? So those are good things, right? Don, let me know if that helps. Thanks, man. All right. But hey, good for us, man. Good for us. Not getting wrecked, dude. You know, with that descending triangle, expecting it to break down, and it went doubled the measure move. Excellent, man. Vergus Games is done with mining. Costs are way too high. Cheaper to get them on exchanges. Yeah, dude. Someone was asking me if I should mine when I get this new GPU. I'm like, dude, what's the point, right? I don't even know is it equitable. I can't remember what the answers were. I think things were just getting lit. I was getting answers right. So it looks like no one is doing Black Friday shopping. Okay, we didn't have much participation either in that little poll, so yeah, I'm glad to hear it. It's not good for your health. Jack Brown does not shop. Oh, self-sustaining. Do you make your own stuffs? Do you make your own chairs, and you make your own furniture and your own paintings, your own stuff? I don't know, man. Everything. Yes, echoing again. Auto Monkey, there's nothing I can do about it, man. For now, anyway. Okay. Just going to derail the stream to shut it off and turn it back on. I want to do that. Okay. It's not like I'm going to be getting so many tips that like the echoing is actually going to bother the chat. Okay, so I think that it's fine. It's not been that big of a deal for now. Okay, just saying. It might be time for another beer. Hold on a sec, y'all. All right. Just remember, if you are interested in the stock market, you like it, just a happy reminder, we only got a half day tomorrow. Around lunch, we're closing the market. So just be aware of that. If you were wanting to get up early, get that trading in done at the bell. And there's not going to be an afternoon, you know, rally or dump. Okay, just know that. You've been scouting the bull traps, doing pretty well, Don. No, excellent, man. Excellent, dude. That is his private key in that message. Take all his money. Oh, all in. Hodl Monkey, all in on taking his key. His key. All right. You know, we could have had something like this, really. I mean, this is probably what we had. I don't know. But you have to give it a shot. All right. I don't know, man. 1 and 2 and 3. Yeah, candle. Oh, nope. Not quite. That seems right, doesn't it? I mean, that seems right. Even 1 and 2 and 3, and then like 4 up here, and then 1 and 2 and 3 down here, and then you have heart line support here. That makes a lot of sense, right? Instead of using this one. So we already broke out, right? Already bearishly broke out, right? But we can try to do the other way. I don't know if it's going to have near as many touches. If you do it like this, the touches, I mean, you get 1 and 2, but not really here or here. But either way, whichever way you angle this, you have broken out bearishly, right? So just wanted to look at that. It's interesting. Crazy little uptrend we had. But it looks like this is the most extreme bear pole, bear flag of all time. Oh my God, right? On key, you're breaking out the bear pole, bear flag combination. Good God. Freaking me out, man. Oh my God, man. The hyperbole in chat right now is alarming. Bitcoin's dead. No, it's not. Bitcoin's not dead. Bitcoin's going to the moon. Bitcoin's dead. No, it's not. Greg White says Bitcoin has been dead 500 times. Oh my God, 500 times hyperbole. Okay, partial entry. Not bad at Dom, man. Excellent. But at least we know our other areas of entry, right? Sorry, I'm just behind. What's up, Sully's Web? Welcome. Why waste money on stuff when you can waste it in crypto? John Hill, that's a great attitude. We should all take note from John Hill's attitude. Wonderful, dude. Wonderful. They gonna Mount Gox's Rickus games? That would suck, dude. Oh, local on the lates. My bad, Crypto De Niro, man. Thanks for the reminder, dude. Alright, we're gonna do our local on the lates. We shall slap ourselves in the face for penance. Okay. Do you hear me?
Bow to your sensei. Bow to your sensei!
What's going on? Alright, Bitcoin again. Inverse going to the moon. Sorry, that was for volume. I hate that. So clearly in the downtrend. I know it looks weird over here, but when you scale in and zoom in, it looks wonderful. Actually, it looks pretty freaking good. Well respected. These finger points looks awesome. But anyway, they're well respected equidistant channel. Looking left, zoomed out like this for good reason. Let me get rid of this one. Crack-a-lackin', that 4400 support, 4450. It wasn't bad. It was better than 5,000, right? We just smashed through that. After that, we just went right through that 4400 range, and now we're at an incredibly weak support, dude. It's nothing. It's literally nothing. It's 4150 is one touch point back from early October of 2017. That's it. That's weaker than 4450. That's extremely weak. All right. You know, actually what we're touching another incredibly weak scrub support from September 19th. One touch, 4139. That's all we're touching right now. Or I should blow it. Okay, you break this. Yeah, 3,500 in the cards real fast. It just seems tough. It would be tough to do that with just so much divergence. But as discussed by someone, their thoughts on it, we could come down and respect the trend line of the upslipping RSI, divergence, right, where we get rid of this completely, right? And you can see we've come down and bounce here at 14 on the RSI. Maybe hit 35, 75, whatever, but all right, man, I want to see how we respect the hard line. We bounced off the hard line in the 1618, and the 1618 fib extension is still at 4,044. So we're approaching that again. And my God, man, you want to know something crazy? Our previous couple candle body closes on Thanksgiving are the lowest candle body closes we've seen in a long time. Okay, every candle we're getting at this point is the lowest low, these lower lows of the entire year, and then some, right? We have ascended to Double Jesus Chomps. Hey, Danielle Watson, thanks for the sub on YouTube. The Jesus Lady, thanks so much. So just remember that. Keep note. Take note. Whatever. We had a wick down here, but now we got candle body closes lower. So that's good for the divergence, but that's also signifying the lowest lows we've seen this year. Thanks for the 201 people tuned in between Twitch and YouTube. Y'all are amazing. About 10 minutes. I gotta go let somebody in. They're gonna be showing up for the weekend. All right, so just bear with me. We've been commuting. We've been driving. What's up about Luke A? Good to see you, dude. Abdurrahman, Amen. Thanks very much for the sub on YouTube. Thoughts on ZRX iGamer? You want some that are not from the ZRX Echo Chamber? Oh, terrible in the chart. It had an incredible rally, hit targets at the 50% and 618 on the major swing high to swing low, and then hit the 786 on the, you know, from the channel that we broke out of, it hit the 786 swing high, right? Which is great. These retracers are amazing. It was a wonderful trade to the upside, and once it hit those, it never saw those again, and had an ascending broadening wedge, a bearish ascending broadening wedge pattern that acted as a bearish continuation. We got it, and we dumped so hard, man. Pretty much expected. When you hit target on your trades in these markets, man, don't think this thing's going to keep going up, especially with Bitcoin, the one coin to rule them all, dumping like a scrub. Okay, so ZRX had a nice run, and most likely the reason was for it getting listed on Coinbase, or the news leading up to it getting listed on Coinbase. Once the Fibonacci targets were hit, it was done. It was completely done. So ZRX trash right now. It's back to being a scrub again. Okay, lost so much value in this Bitcoin dumping. It's just like all the others. iGamer. Okay, not to be mean. Oh, fireworks? Heck yeah, man. Boom, fireworks. We did it, man. Maybe we shouldn't have the fireworks on. Maybe we should have the dumpster fire explosions, right? I don't know, chat. What's up, True Stoner, man? Happy Thanksgiving to you as well, man. You and yours, right? Daniel Watson, yay. Yay, indeed. Yay, we're dumping, right? Currently sitting at 41.28, down 3.21% on Thanksgiving. Come on. Thanksgiving, I guess Thanksgiving is a hodlers giving away their money, right? And there you go. You got Ethereum breaking that descending triangle, and you've got Ripple below 41 cents now, 40.7 cents right now. What's up, Mr. Spooner? Vergus Games says Bitcoin Cash needs to die. It does nothing but damage crypto. Yep, pretty much, man. I don't know what it's really doing. What's its use? What does it exist for? I don't. Oh, it's faster than Bitcoin. Then, oh, really? It also is. Look, people want to say, people want to blame. People really want to blame the Ver and Wright people, right? Greg Wright and Roger Ver for this dump. But dude, you knew this move was coming if you're watching this show. There was no surprise here. We literally played it out and talked about it so much. If you cracked an accumulation level, if you cracked 5,800, you did not want to be in Bitcoin. You did not want to be in Bitcoin. We have video evidence of that multiple times, because you know why? You know why? Because when you're a streamer that streams multiple times a day in a market for 2 months, that's doing this, you got all the time in the world warning people about what will happen if we break 5,800. This is the fruits of the happening. You break 5,800, see ya. We're at 41.18 right now. The lowest lows on candle body closes we've seen all year. Okay, this is like, hello, remember when everyone was freaking out a few nights ago? Well, hey, welcome back. Welcome back to freaking out again, because we're selling off even more again, right? Whatever. Here we are, selling more. I mean, this is the lowest low we've seen on the 4-hour session, and really of the day, the new day, and lower than yesterday. Holy crap. Oh my god, 5 minutes, dude. I'm so excited, y'all. I'm so excited, man. Sure, maybe with BAT, but BAT technically also, it ran up just like ZRX when leading up to its inception on Coinbase, and it has dumped ever since then too, really bad, like everything else. Okay, so who do I think is buying this knife catch? Oh, I'm just telling you what's going on the 4-hour. We do have bullish divergence. Again, could come down to like 13. We've had it, right? Had it, but we could just keep on selling off as long as we wanted. But I think that we could, in fact, making this lower low wherever it is, we could bounce the upside with triple RSI bullish divergence. And again, remember, we're selling off. Make no doubt about it. We're selling off, and we have literally no negative momentum even now. Now we could keep dumping and eventually start making those negative histogram wicks, and that's great because that will be some bullish divergence, some extreme bullish divergence. You're probably not going to make much negative momentum down here. You could, but another thing is we're selling off, making lower lows than our previous lows, and we have very, very little volume comparative to the previous levels, right? Just saying. What's up, Anthony, man? What's up with my eye, man? Just itching, dude. Bitcoin's rat poison, Warren Buffett. Yeah, Warren Buffett just nonchalantly last year called it a scam. But, you know, whatever. XRP is hurting right now, iGamer. Absolutely it is. It's feeling the effect of that Bitcoin move down. Lowest low of the year for Bitcoin right now. Okay. Lowest low of this correction that stems back to 19,989, roughly right around there. I'm gonna wreck something tonight after stream. Nah, man, we're just hanging out, dude. We're just enjoying each other's company. We're going to the Iron Bowl on Saturday. It's going to be quite enjoyable experience. Okay, I get tickets every year to the Iron Bowl, so I'm just going to let her come with me. We're going to have fun. A little bit below 35, man. Cents. If we go below 4,000, the miners start disappearing. It becomes too expensive. I thought that was already the case. Isn't there something out there, you miners, you people that are following Bitcoin and cryptocurrency? The hash rate has plummeted. Oh my God, I want to find it. It's really bad, man. It's really, really bad. Here we go. Of course, there are going to be people on here that are just going to say, yeah, whatever, man, whatever, dude. Okay, go ahead and say whatever. You don't believe it or care. But and I don't even really understand this. I'm sure there are other people in here that care way more than me. The Bitcoin mining hash rate had been exponentially increasing from 2009 through August of 2018. August. From mega hashes, gig hashes, tera hashes to whatever to EHS. I'm sure some other even bigger. The all-time record high for Bitcoin's mining hash rate was 62 EHS on the 26th of August. Not too long ago, right? Just a few months ago. After that point, the trend broke and Bitcoin's mining hash rate plateaued. This was due to a combination of two factors. First, the Bitcoin bear market brought Bitcoin's price down from 20,000 to about 6,500, making mining much less profitable. Duh. Second, Bitcoin's mining difficulty had been rapidly rising despite the bear market, as all the new hash power had come online. The end result was there was no more room to profitably add hashing power to the Bitcoin network. It was thought that Bitcoin's support level was solidly at 5,800, but that paradigm broke when Bitcoin Cash forked. The SEC began to launch catastrophic civil penalties against initial coin offerings, ICOs, for good reason, and the launch of physical Bitcoin futures on bot was delayed. Backbot. Till January. This trifecta of extremely bad news within 1 week has brought Bitcoin's price down to 4,400. Okay, or it broke the upsloping accumulation support that we've been talking about. We got squeezed in. We knew a big move was coming to the upside downside. We knew where we were going if we broke 5,800, right? So self-fulfilling prophecy on this guy, right? Whoever's talking about it. But hey, man, really bad, really bad. The unexpected crash in Bitcoin's really unexpected. Really, come on, dude. No support looking left. The expected crash, if we broke 5,800, has been destructive for the mining industry. Many mining farms were right at the break-even point, or perhaps even losing some money, but expecting Bitcoin to go up in the near future, so they kept mining. Now Bitcoin's hash rate has plummeted to 35 EHS. So cut in half, pretty much, from that August 2018 level, right? Cut in half. Implicitly indicating about 25 EHS of Bitcoin's mining rigs have been taken offline since they are no longer profitable due to electricity costs. This represents billions of US dollars of Bitcoin mining equipment going completely to waste, since Bitcoin mining rigs have no real use besides mining Bitcoin. Or hook me up, dude. I'll use them to stream, dude. All right. The events unfolding in the Bitcoin mining space could spell doom for mining rig manufacturers. Hey, take a look at NVIDIA. Has lost over 50% of its value in 35 days. Hello? Yeah. They're a manufacturer. All right. Now the market for rigs is completely oversaturated, and any demand for rigs is probably dried up. Okay? That kind of stuff is what I'm talking about right now. All right, that's what's going on with mining. All right, not good. Not good at all. But go ahead. Come on, people know more than me. They're so smart. Go ahead and say, there's always, that's the thing with crypto, man. There's always dissenting opinions on everything about the what ifs and the speculation. Oh my God, dude. It's like, I've never seen anything like it before. Okay, let's go on and talk about, that's factual, man. You've lost like half your hash power or whatever since August. So, gonna get some crazy reactions, I'm sure, but whatever. Yeah, we're selling off. Currently sitting at 41.29, just holding there for a minute, but I'm sure we're going to go lower. No real support until really 4,041 and 4,000. 4,000 is another one, right? That's that heart line, that downswing heart line, and that is also the 161/8 fib extension that we held so well right here before bouncing and absolutely finding no demand. Even after a bullish engulfing candle, there was nothing there. Couldn't even hit the 382 retrace, which is extremely bearish. That's bad right there when you can't do that, but you're still showing some bullish divergence, but we could sell off more before hitting 16 on the RSI, right? Oh, my Viking. Oh, my bad. Team Crypto 101. Thank you, man. I forgot I was Viking, man. If I put on the wizard hat, I would look like an actual Quaker or an actual pilgrim. Should I put on the Viking hat? Put on the Viking hat and look like a pilgrim? Chat, should I do this? Someone give me a reason to, okay? We'll see how many likes we have right now. If we hit 175 likes, 175 likes. That's a reach. 175 likes. I will wear the pilgrim hat or the wizard hat. Okay, that's it. No ifs, ands, or buts about it. Can I be here in a minute? Okay, looks like Princess Raleigh will be here momentarily. So once I see another text from her when she says she's here, I'll BRB. And y'all can work on those likes if you want to see me as a wizard, Quaker, or pilgrim. Okay, sweet. I disagree. There it is.
I disagree. I disagree.
Based on this double thing, it's killing me, man. It's killing me, the double. Thanks, Skyrim, man, for the 512. Love it, man. The Ultra Troll, man. Much love. Vergus Game says 3,900 is a point of no return for miners, even with free energy. Ooh. What's up, Omer Ali, man? Will Bitcoin go down to 4K or cross 5K? Will go down to 4K or cross 5K. 4K going below 4K is very reasonable to believe. Man, this was our rally. That's it. That's terrible. But still, again, bullish average. No negative momentum on our lower lows. What price should you stop holding on your Bitcoin? 5,800. Nick Rabot. But I only talked about that for like 2 months. I'm literally just saying, at this point, I don't know. Like, it's not good, man. There was little support below 5,800. And 5,000 didn't hold up. 4,400 didn't hold up. And now we're going to be trying to hold on to some heart line of our down-sloping equidistant channel and our 161/8 fib extension at 4,041. That's it. That's all we got. After that's 3,500. After that's 3,000. Okay? Billy, it normally does, right? Old Ethereum. We gotta love it. Old Faithful on the shorts, right? Oh yeah, Tom Lee's saying Bitcoin to 15K by the end of the year. Of course he does, right? Of course, right? Extra people save us. Well, it's 41 cents right now. Holding has been selling off and bleeding for many days now. Kareem, you look at the charts, man. You go back to the charts. Okay. We're looking at the charts right now. What's wrong? Are you okay, man? Very low volume. So, Jason Rentapanga, where does this stop and start changing and moving up? Thoughts? At any time, I believe we could break to the upside for a retrace. But the bearish trend is still intact, and it's going to stay intact for a while until you break above 6,000 area, way up there. Okay, it's a long way away. Okay, and that's not even breaking the downtrend. That's just only breaking out of the equidistant channel we've been in since January. Where I think the bottom for entry is. I mean, like 3,000 seems like it's in the cards for the midterm. All right. People still think we can just hit 3,500 or 2K and bounce right back and be 50K next year. Yeah, definitely not how that's gonna work, right, Mr. Spinner? We just double bottomed from November 20th. Didn't quite touch it. Did not quite touch it. All right, and yeah, if we bounce, I mean, look, you got bullish divergence and no negative momentum on lower candle body closed lows. That's it. Pilgrim hat, yeah. Hodl Monkey Man. Seems like no one even cared about the mining stuff. Okay, it looks like Princess Riley is here. She has made it to my residence, my domicile, the castle. Oh, I forgot.
Is that a joint?
Anonymous tip $24.20.
Hey, why is it? You see that there's double Jesus champs. There's only one TTS. Anon, Dana Melissa. Thank y'all so much for the 2420. Freaking love y'all. Appreciate it every time. And y'all are amazing. I hope you had a wonderful Thanksgiving. But just hang tight. I will Oh my God, really? We're 170 likes. Are you kidding me, dude? So it looks like I'll be wearing the Pilgrim hat by the time I get back, right? Remember, 175 likes. I will put on the Wizard hat or Pilgrim hat, okay? And, yeah, just give me a second. I gotta let Princess Raleigh in. And, we're back. Hang tight, y'all. Thanks so much. Actually, what am I doing? Let me, instead of going BRB, I will put on this so we can watch. You can leave the chart on, so you don't like, you know, you're like, oh my God, man. So we can watch Bitcoin making lows, right? Nasty lows like this, right? Is that better? That looks good right there. Okay. All right, I'll be right back. If anyone asks, just let them know what I'm doing. Hang tight. Sorry about that, y'all. Actually, look out. Let me get this beer. It's right here in my mini fridge. Hey, we're holding at 4,200 right now. Hold on a second. Hey, knowledge is key. 24 things to sub on YouTube. That's it. Does anyone hear me on the mic? Right now, the microphone. Can you hear me? Sorry. Too enthusiastic. Sorry. My night just got better. All right, just a little bit better. So we're gonna scroll through chat, see what happened while it's gone. Did anyone? Oh yeah, I have to put on the. Oh my God! Gosh dang it! 2 seconds. Hello, I am a simple pilgrim man. Okay, I'm a pilgrim, and we are taking over the Mayflower, man, or something. No, we're not. We're not doing that at all. We're actually going to break bread with the Native Americans, and we shall exchange and trade, barter, for that matter. All right. Oh, so wet and so many leaves falling, man. All right. Cheers. Gosh dang it. It's not easy, man. It's not easy, man. All right. Hey, J man, thanks for the sub on YouTube. It is, man. Welcome, dude. Welcome. Well, Nick Rabat, Captain Underpants. You might have caught me on a bad day, okay, man? What happened to One Man Army, dude? Yeah, I was going to try to save Bitcoin. It worked a little bit, okay? My powers did succeed for a moment, but just not too long. You can clearly see the lowest candle body lows we've seen all year since 1909. Since January. Damn, I'm digging this song. What's up, Mohammed, man? Imran? We already basically hit 4,000. Well, 4,100. Yeah, we hit 4,036 roughly. That was the 1618 fib extension, as well as the heart line of our equidistant channel. Okay. King Elvin, what is this, man? What are you, dude? What are you even? All right. No Lambos, just city bikes and cardboard boxes. Okay. Crypto 101, man. Yeah, dude, I got my Pilgrim hat on, man. Okay. I'm a simple, Quaker Pilgrim. A lot better. Summer Sunrise, thanks. Y'all got any more of them relief rallies done? Yeah, man, totally. So many, man. So many. We lit. What's up, James Glenn, man? Now I'm styling, dude. Hey, just tis the season, man. Isn't this what pilgrims wore? They wore plaid shirts and earth-toned plaid shirts and Quaker hats, or pilgrim hats, right? Wizard hats, for that matter. Yeah, it's been a while since we've had any kind of wizard night, right? But it's not really wizard night, it's pilgrim night. Just can't tell them. Do I buckle boots? No, I do not. Hold on, monkey, sorry. When hitchhiking, win stuff, right? Which Ray? Get a good one, Aaron, man. Okay. You see shroom pickers wearing those all the time in the park? Well, man, interesting, man. Dude, why would they wear those? Why would they wear it, dude? No taxation on bartering. Excellent, Anthony, man. Excellent, dude. I'm never late. I only arrive precisely when I mean to. Excellent, Don. I think we made it, man. No, we didn't make it. BitMEX does hate Bitcoin. Yes, it does. We know that. It hates Ethereum even more, dude. All right. Cheers, Team Crypto 101, man. Jamaicans and Indians, exactly. wear a funny hat. Hey, done. Automonkey done. Hey, dude. Hey, man, we had a milestone. I said all we have to do is hit 175 likes, and I'll wear it. At the time, we were at like 120 likes. I'm like, no way we're hitting 175 likes, right? So I got wrecked really fast, and I didn't even notice. Okay. Win Cavalier. Crypto 2 times, man. Crypto Quaker, man. That's it. Man, I guess it freaked out. Everyone freaked out, man. Oh, wait. We did it, man. We did it, man. All right. So Bitcoin's just still holding around 4,200 right now. But make no mistake, breaking 4,041 is going to put us at the lowest price we've seen since our all-time highs. Okay, that's really bad. So when you're this close to your lowest lows of the year or of the correction, that just is testament to how weak we are. But you just got to remember that we do in fact have we have divergence on the RSI, and we're showing positive momentum on lower lows. That's good, man. That's like bullish behavior. But again, if we're just so bearish and there's no demand, I don't know, man. And also the volume is so crap on this sell-off comparative to our previous sell-offs here and here. This is nothing. This is trash, man. This is a very weak sell-off. Just saying, man. Dang, we're 9 away from 200 likes. What do I do with 200 likes, y'all? Holy crap. Earth, yeah, you like the leaves. They're kind of getting in my way. They're hitting me in the face a lot, Earth, y'all. So I gotta duck and dodge. Oh, okay, we're good. Made it, man. Thoughts on Stratus, Mohammed, man? Dumpster fire right now. Complete dumpster fire. Just like everything else in this market, man. You broke out of an ecosystem channel you'd been in for a very long time. Good God, man. It's just so bad, dude. It's so bad. And here, we're going to show you real quick. It's just like, this is just, hey, man. Oh, man, we broke out, but no one cares because Bitcoin dumped. So, I mean, you'll love it, too. You'll be like, dang, dude, that's an amazing looking, well-respected downsloping channel we broke out of, man. Holy crap. Nice right angled and ascending broadening formation, which is bearish. And boom, hit metric move of that. Great. Nice rising wedge. Great. Here you are, man. Anchor point 1 and 2 and 3. Beautiful respect we got all over the place. And we broke out. We went sideways. Why do we go sideways? Look, man, I don't know. There's this stupid weight right here. Fat finger weight. It's like, got it. Hey, Brett, 1, 2, 3, 4. I hope that's not your password. Thanks for the sub on YouTube. The Jizz, man. That's my man. Damn it. Alright, so we are right at that support back from August 13th. Fib extension wise, we can give it a shot. I don't know if it's actually need to help us at this point. Yeah, there you go, man. You're right around that 1618. Used it as support, and now it's a resistance, man. Like, my God, man, what do you even want, dude? You're at extreme fib extensions, all right, and just nothing going for you. You got nothing going for you. You're pretty much at all-time lows on Stratus. Look, you got this wick. Okay, what are we gonna do? Hold 1,029 and rally? Normally these wicks are not supports really at all. This was some weird fat finger. Okay. Anyway, so you had just this slightly upsloping price action after a huge dump, and you broke down again. All right, so really not that great. So 1,029, could expect that. Seriously, man. Unless you get back above the 1618 to 1981, but we're already pretty decently far away from that. So, dude, not good. Bearish as all the other ones. Very bearish. Okay, please disregard, if you're watching the stream, don't watch this part. I'm trying to be a pilgrim, okay? I'm just leaning back, leaning, rocking. I'm wilding, dude. Holy crap. Thank y'all so much for the 200. I feel so good! Oops, did not mean to do that. I think my stream deck lagged for a second, so.
Please clap.
Nice. Thank y'all so much for that. Really do appreciate it. Y'all Jesus people. Okay. Thanks so much. You gave me a like, Mr. Ali, man. Thanks, dude. Really do appreciate that. Seriously. What's up, KJ, man? You haven't been able to tune in as much just because of the holidays. Hey, man, it's all good, dude. Hey, there's more holidays than Black Friday. Seems like no one, literally no one in this chat is going to Black Friday, and I commend them all. Okay. Screw those brick and mortars, man. What are they doing, dude? Condoning violent behavior all over the country, or the West, anyway. After every 50 likes, undo one button. I don't know, man. That's probably bordering, you know, TOS violations, right? I think people try to get me to undress before. Jules talking about the one is double bottom to call. Well, dude, you got the oscillators behind you. That's all I can tell you, Jules. You got the oscillators behind you, and the volume, the crappy volume behind you too. So I'd love to see you be right on that, man. And we're not saying that you couldn't be. You very well could be. Okay. Summer Sunrise, you've enjoyed the streams. Thank you so much, Summer Sunrise. Much love. You sound like the last book of Game of Thrones, right? Kappa, of course. Do I think this is a bear trap? No, bear traps are much steeper, much more violent. Crypto Yeti, man. They're normally like, oh, I got a thing on the fly. And then huge spikes to the downside, and then we break to the upside, right? I think they're a little bit more calculated on higher volume than this. This is a slow, methodical bleed that we're seeing right now on, again, low volume. So, Christopher Kent, man. But I think Bitcoin can get it 2,000. Man, no point in speculating, right? I think the next target, if we cannot hold this 4,000 to 4,050 range, you're going to see yourself at 3,500 real quick. After that, 3,000. After that, can't hold 3,000. Yeah, 2,000 seems likely. Yeah. But again, man, it's just, there's no point in speculating. I think that we very well could in time, but like, dude, you're going to retrace, make lower highs, and break down again. And you're going to keep doing that, and we're waiting for us to not do that. Okay, that's the whole point of trending. The trends, right? When we reverse that trend and not make lower highs and lower lows. When we start going horizontal, no highs or respected highs and respected lows, range bound Bitcoin. When are we going to see that again? That's going to kill the market, dude. That will kill this market sentiment. It's already dead, but at least it's bearish. When we go no trend, man, expect mostly everyone to quit this market, okay? Your friends that you see in chat right now, most of them probably won't be here, right? Just saying. All thanks for the 226 people here that most likely certainly won't be here when we go range bound for a year or 6 months, okay? Just being honest and candid. What's up, Sean Coons? Happy Thanksgiving to you, man. Hope you had a wonderful one. Ate your face off, okay? If the princess shows up, keep it clean. I don't think anyone's wanted to see the princess yet. No one's even said anything about her. So, y'all all know the princess is at my domicile, but she's just downstairs, okay? So, that's it, man. We're going to use for streams, OBS. No, I agree. Crypto 2 Dumps, man. I love Amazon because they have 5% back on the card, dude. Can't get that anywhere else you go. Princess Riley, how are you doing? Long time no see. Long time no talk to. Long time no stuff. What's up, Rahul, man? You like the hat, man? That's all you can say on a day when we are bleeding. Let's focus on the positives tonight. Yeah, well, I was able to express how grateful I am for the things in my life, and hopefully you were able to do the same, especially if you live in the States. But if you don't, there's nothing wrong with still being grateful on this day, okay, with us in this community. What's up about retired on passive income? Enjoy life. It's a long name, man. It's a mouthful. Greg White says the trend is your friend. Indeed. Okay, it controls the power of the oscillators within it, right? And the patterns. Honesty is greater than perma bulls and bears. Yeah, Don, for sure, man, for sure. So yeah, I don't want to see Ripple below 35 cents, man. You just don't. You don't want to see it. No one else wants to see it below 35. That's a critical support. You break that, man. Bye bye. See you, dude. Okay. You're here for the tech and the lulls. Excellent, Auto Monkey, man. What happened? Are we partying? Princess Raleigh? Yeah, we're partying. What's up, Jordan G? Hey, Jordan G, thanks again, man, for that contribution. I won't say who you are, okay? All my potion and spells are needed, Aaron M. Okay, let me conjure them, man. All right, that's it, dude. If you want me to, I'll do this, man, okay? I'll do this. I got you, dude. I need to summon my wizard ball in my, my crystal ball, dude. All right, I got this, dude. Boom, there it is. Can you hear me through the microphone, man? We're good now, dude. All right. Aaron, does that help? Let me know. You're in LA fighting the migrants crossing the border. Is that extreme over there, man? Aren't y'all fires to fight over there, man? Because that seems a little bit more crazy. I mean, they both seem crazy. It seems like you got quite the epic battle going on. Sounds like Lord of the Rings in California right now. Please, everyone be safe over there. Good God. Looks like a party here. Lee Plot. Yeah, I guess it is a party, man. We're celebrating, looking at S-Coins, Kappa. We're just looking at this to show it to our friend. But going to go back to Bitcoin because it seems pretty important what we look at. Super steep drop, right? All right, holding for now, showing a little bit of rejection, but again, let's see this hold, man. Got some green volume. Only down 1% now. We were down 3.21%, so we bounced a little bit. For now, we have 2 hours left on this 4-hour candle. Remember, breaking 4,041 is really breaking 4,000. That's going to put us at the heart line, right on the heart line, right here. Okay. That's right, Jimmy M. Yes. Anthony, your girlfriend's passed out. We'll go wake her up. You want to hang out, But it's understandable, right? If you want to hang out here too. Okay. I was literally just capping at all that, y'all, for the California stuff. Okay, because everyone just be careful either way. If you're on whatever side you're on, be careful. It's not about the bull or the bear. XRP below 35 cents. Yeah, that's terrible, man. It's really we're already out of our channel. Somewhere right at it, right at the bottom of it. We broke out of it. We're trying to get back in it, Rahul, on XRP, and I guess we should go to it real quick. It's okay, no big deal. Everyone's retracing some. So you're out of it. You broke it. You're hooking right now, which is not good. But you could at least say, hey, man, at least we got all the bullish divergence in the freaking world right now that might be able to brace the upside. Also, what else we have going on? All the volume, right? Oh my God, I'm about to sneeze, man. Okay, sorry about that. My God, man, my sneezes are loud. If I ever hit this stream deck and it doesn't need my mic, y'all are so screwed. All your ears will be destroyed. All right, I'm sorry about that. Okay, just be forewarned. We have to rely on Stream Deck. You could sue Stream Deck if it doesn't work. Okay. Black Friday sale on scrub coins. Maybe not even Johnson videos, man. Maybe not even. You're just chilling, Anthony, man. You're gonna do some marijuanas. Excellent, dude. It blows your mind that there's only $130 billion in this market right now. Dude, that's... I didn't even know that. I haven't even looked at the coin market cap today, dude. We're going to take a look at it right now, though. So, thanks, man. Yep, look at this. $138 billion market cap. Holy crap, man. 74.49 on Bitcoin. 74 billion. No. 16 billion on Ripple. 12 billion on Ethereum. Who even cares, man? Who even cares about Bitcoin when Ripple has completely destroyed Ethereum, consolidated its power, right? It's king over Ethereum. Bitcoin Cash is trash, like super trash. Down another 13.73%. I mean, this thing is terrible. Stellar, still under 5 somehow, some way. Guess what's going to happen? Stellar soon will be doing the flippening. Just give it a few more days, and Stellar will surpass Bitcoin Cash. It's number 4, dude. Stellar, man. Moving to the ring is going to make the college football playoff. It's going to be number 4, dude. Unreal. I can't wait to see Stellar Lumen versus Bitcoin and XRP versus Ethereum in those 2 college football playoffs. I think. Where are they being played this year? Anyone know? Let me know. Thanks. How much should I charge for one-on-one education? Is that the price? Oh, how much am I charging for the one-on-one education that Princess Riley is getting? Crypto Yeti, I don't know how to answer that, man. All right. Crypto Yeti, are you calling me a gigolo, man? What's going on, dude? I thought we were Yeti bros, man. You think you got me a new sub? You told your sister's fiance about the channel. He's big into swing trading. Well, Anthony, man, thank you, dude, for hooking me up, dude. Okay. You know, I'm sure a lot of people were eating crow this year. Again, you know, 1 year later, it's a 180 on this market, and I'm sure, Anthony, your sister's fiance is going to look at this channel and immediately turn it off because the wizard hat, or not the wizard, I'm trying to be a Quaker, man, or a pilgrim. And I'm sure he's probably turned it off already, all right? But let him know on serious, on just in standard days, we just do normal things, okay, man? So it's really not that big a deal. All right. Black Friday song, Crypto Connor, man. Rishi click of the day. Is there really an XLM airdrop? Is this serious, man? Is this really for real? Yeah. So, okay, man. I don't know. I've been holy crap, dude. I've been live like literally 2 hours now, like hour 57 minutes. What am I supposed to do in this moment in time, right? I will tell you, it is time for your local on the 8s. Sure thing, Rahul, man. Anytime, dude. But look, it's pinpoint accurate, dude. That's legit. Man, I like made sure that these anchor points on Ripple are like perfect, so it is out for real, and it's back testing. It's not good. Back testing's fail, but maybe we can break back into it with all the bullish divergence. We'll be kings, right? So here we are, man. Here we are making lower lows than our previous lows, and we don't even have negative momentum on our MACD. Normally, when you break down to lower lows, you want to have high spikes and negative momentum on high volume. We're inversing that. Do you understand? That's showing exhaustion. That's showing we're very tired of selling. We got no more power to sell right now. We're having issues on the oscillators on significant time scales. So we can all talk about 3,500, but dude, how are we going to get to 3,500, man, when we're just so freaking tired? I'm just saying, man. We're super tired. And that is not me saying, oh my God, we're going to go to the moon. We're breaking the uptrend. We're going to be kings. No, it's just saying we're due for a shorter term retrace to the upside to make common retraces on our Fibonacci. That's all I'm saying, dude. Don't you ever think I'm saying, oh man, the bull run, is this a bull run incoming? No, it's not. It's saying you do not have the ingredients right now for the ability to break to the downside much more. For now, before we make this big swing low and run to the upside just for a little bit, we might only run to the 382. Okay, just saying. Wayne, you don't know if you saw my message yesterday, if you were ever going to teach people how to trade. We have education in here all the time, man. Little tidbits, but you know, what do you want from me? You know, I'm streaming, giving you the updates. You know what the stream is, right? This is like the weather channel of charts. Okay, that's what I do. That's what I spend my time doing. Absorbent amount of time doing that. Okay, so, and I do all I can to try to teach when people have questions. Okay, in here. If there's an airdrop, that's terrible, right? That's really bad. Still are doing things, not VeChain. Danny, just because you said that, man.
VeChain doing things.
There you go. Oh, hey, XRP Roshi, man. Let's just do it real quick, all right? XRP Roshi, man, this is the $5 contribution.
Just be you. That is all I've ever wanted. Just be you. That is all I've ever wanted.
Hey, Mom.
Oh, it feels so good!
Thanks for the $6.90 contribution. Much love, Mom. Thanks so much. Thanks so much. Seriously. Just be me. I know you. I know you. All right. What's up, Aaron Barnes? Welcome, man. Much appreciated, Mitch, for the free education. Anytime, Greg White, man. It's just like, hey, it's people are already forgetting. Hey, it's Thanksgiving. I'm literally here on Thanksgiving. Well, Thanksgiving just ended, but dude, I'm literally streaming on Thanksgiving night. Holy crap, right? So, everyone, calm down. James. So XRP Roshi tipped 5 XRP. I just did the Jesus challenge for that. Coincidentally, as soon as I did that, my mom tipped 690, and there's something bugged out right now where anytime someone subs or tips, you're getting double Jesus chomps. It's a Black Friday deal, evidently. Okay, they just can't help themselves. What's with the wither stuff? No, Bradford, I'm not a wizard. I am but simple pilgrim. I am a pilgrim tonight, Bradford, man. But I do have a crystal ball. Maybe I should turn that off. Hold on. Okay, so I took off that, so we're good. Sweet. We're good. It's not really Wizard Night. Remember, it's Pilgrim Night because Thanksgiving, and this is what pilgrims wore, okay? Wizard hats. This is exactly what they wore, right? Doing quite well, Multiple Mafia. Well fed, I guess is the word, right? Yeah, pilgrim. What is a pilgrim? Pilgrim is somebody that they're back in the early days of the Americas, and they were friends. Well, they were just settlers. They came from all over to settle in the new Americas, the new world, and they broke bread with the Native Americans and shared, you know, that was way back. And that's why we celebrate Thanksgiving, to give thanks for all the things we have now, like all of America. Roll Tide. Oh, Wayne, no, nothing was really in the works for like courses. I mean, our Patreon has educational content. It's all good, Wayne. Dude, you never know, man. Dude, you never know. I don't know what I could do, and I could have that, what you're saying, and I'll still get people that will come in, and it's not even against you, man. It's just precedence at this point. People are so... They think that, like, I'm literally supposed to do everything that exists on the planet, but it's just entitlement stuff, and I don't know how to take things anymore a lot of times, so I try not to... I don't know, man. You get it. It sucks, but no courses, like real like classes, were planned. But there are things I'm going to be working on to maybe be able to facilitate certain things for you coming in the future. We do have changes coming to personnel and stuff, so I'll let you know. Okay, y'all will be updated on this stuff accordingly. As long as you're part of our Discord, you watch this live stream, you're gonna know these things, okay? So just hang tight, Wayne. We got big changes coming, all right, man? That's it. In the next year or two, Jay, that is extremely speculative, Jay. Extremely speculative. We don't know that. No one does. And hey, Jay, if someone tries to tell you they know, they're lying to you. But they're lying to you in hopes that you will take favor with them, and you will then trust them because they told you that yes or no, we will recover or we won't recover in price, right? So I'll tell you, and you don't have to watch me anymore, but I'm telling you, I don't know, and no one knows, but we do look at the chart to see. Chances are we could, but we could have a bearish trend for a while, sell off to 3,000, maybe even lower, and then we go sideways for a year, and then eventually we break an overhead resistance, and then we form a bullish pattern, and then we break the other side, and the bull run, the new bull run begins. Okay, this was happened every single other time. Okay, so we are an extremely bullish chart. We are extremely bullish because we started at 0, and now we're at 4,200. Okay. We do eat crazy turkey with smoked turkey. Black Friday sales, yeah. Well, evidently, no one in this room, no one in this room is celebrating Black Friday. They're gonna all be celebrating Cyber Monday, though. I will be too. Hey, Rodney, Oddguard, thanks for the sub on YouTube. It is my visit.
Protection in this market is mandatory. No running stop on this exchange. No running stop on this exchange.
Well, you can't. I mean, stop is protection, but the problem is running stops. The definition of this really, where there's no more demand at where you set your stop because you set your stop where everyone else set their stop. Right, and so what will happen is everyone else's orders will get filled, and yours won't, and then the price of the asset will continue to sell. So running stop is you have to be very smart about where you set your stops, and you want to make them strategic to where most other people aren't going to have stops at that particular price. Having a stop at a very obvious place is a good place where you get a running stop on you, okay? So just understand that is a thing. So even with the stops, you'll get running stops. There's no other way to get a running stop on you without having a stop. So be mindful of that. Make sure you do not, when one does their stops, one would not want to have their stops in such an obvious place that everyone else knows that's where their stops are going to be too. Because when the rug gets pulled and that support gets broken, so many orders are going to get filled. Yours probably won't. Just saying. That's a running stop. So don't get wrecked. All right. Thanks, my mom, for $6.90. It feels so good, man. Thanks so much. All right. Dan Adams, yeah, you should have checked out our stream yesterday, the day stream that lasted like 4 hours, 45 minutes, 5 hours. Dan, we watched the entire apology video on stream live. It was awesome, Dan Adams. Very illuminating, okay? Thankful that Wizards came over on the Mayflower and discovered frozen turkeys. Hot monkey, all in, dude. We did it, man. We friggin' did it. Yeah, the Pilgrims also discovered Walmart. Okay. Yes. What are my thoughts on XRP? They're a global banking solution with many partnerships that have a working service that is helping people, helping the world. So I like XRP in that regard. But you have so many people that hate that because they're using blockchain technology to be a service and good for the banks, the very thing that Bitcoin was created for, the alternative to money, the alternative to fiat, right? So it's very controversial, but I like XRP just from a stock-minded side. That's where I came from. I did not come from crypto. So I like it because they're actually providing services with blockchain technology, which is what everything else that exists in blockchain should be doing, not farting around, just, we're good at our technology, man, we have our VC funds, we're running out of money, man, please give me more. Sorry, man, that's not how it works. You better get something going or you're going to be dead soon. You were giving your donations from the freaking VCs to get your blockchain together. What you doing now? Well, most of them haven't done anything, okay? You got, look at Verge Coin. What a joke, man. The Pilgrims are the ones that establish Whole Foods. Is this true, APDP? I don't know. Check my history book. I don't know if we'll check it out, man. Oh yeah, Cyber Monday, Mr. Matches, man. Yeah, man. You had a conversation about running stops today at Thanksgiving. Get wrecked, Brad, for me. Get wrecked. Vasha, what is Cyber Monday? It's not sexual, okay? What everyone's laughing about. It's like a Black Friday, but for the online world, right? Crazy deals everywhere across the interwebs. Good DJ, it's tough, man. It's not easy. Sometimes you're too conservative, sometimes you're too loose in your stops, right? You know, you can get burned either way. Here we go. Mr. Magic says Cyber Monday is a marketing term for the Monday after Thanksgiving holiday in the United States. The term Cyber Monday was created by marketing. Wikipedia Kappa. Let's argue about XRP. All in on Ripple XRP. Ripple XRP. Ripple XRP. Sweet. Alright, y'all. I've been live for like 2 hours and 14 minutes, alright? I think I might just go put some Christmas decorations up or something, man. I don't know. With Princess Riley. Since no one wants to see Princess Riley, okay. What's the point, right? So, it's been fun, y'all. This has been an extravagant Thanksgiving celebration. Okay, so, what I'll do is be back tomorrow sometime. Don't know if I'll stream in the daytime or not. What is it, Friday tomorrow? Holy crap, man. Probably, I don't know if I'll do a day stream or not. Okay, so I'll be back tomorrow. Again, for the people in the States, happy Thanksgiving. Hope you had a good one. I'm thankful for you in this community. Right? Y'all have helped me. Y'all have changed my life. All right. So without you, I don't know where I'd be. All right. So until next time, respect the TA.